If you run a home service business, for example, pressure washing, lawn care, window cleaning, HVAC, or plumbing, you've probably seen QuoteIQ and Housecall Pro. They both help you manage jobs and make more money, but they are not built for the same stage of business. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing QuoteIQ versus Housecall Pro, so you can see which one actually makes the best sense for your business depending on the stage that it is in, as we'll be covering what each one does, how they're different, and what you can expect on the pricing. Before diving in, I've included links in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up to either one of these platforms for completely free, and it will also help to support the channel, so thank you in advance. Now, let's get started. What is QuoteIQ? QuoteIQ is an app built mainly for small home service businesses, especially exterior cleaning, like pressure washing, window cleaning, house washing, roof cleaning, and similar services. The idea is simple. Everything you need to track leads and send quotes, schedule jobs, and get paid from one mobile-friendly place. And by the way, this is how your QuoteIQ dashboard will look once you're signed up. From here, you'll be able to create estimates, monitor your calendar to see booking. You can also create route optimization. You can create forms and also map tool. From here, you'll be able to create quotes for customers virtually. With QuoteIQ, you can typically store leads and customers in a simple CRM, bill and send quotes in the field with photos, line items, and options. You can also schedule jobs and see them on a calendar, take payments and track revenue, track marketing ROI. It's very creator-driven and tailored to the day-to-day reality of small owner-operators and small teams, not big enterprise companies. Think of QuoteIQ as a practical, mobile-first app that helps small exterior and home service businesses quote fast, stay organized, and see which marketing is working. Now, what is Housecall Pro? Housecall Pro is a more established, full-field service management platform for home service businesses. It's built to help you manage the entire customer journey. Online booking from your website or booking links, scheduling and dispatching texts, and also job management and work orders, estimates, invoices and payments, on my way texts and automated reminders. You can also set up membership plans and recurring service programs. Where QuoteIQ feels like a simple app for small teams, Housecall Pro feels like a more complete operating system for a growing service company. So think of Housecall Pro as a full all-in-one platform for running and scaling a home service business from first call to paid invoice and review. And by the way, this is how your Housecall Pro dashboard will look once you're signed up, as you can see right here. And it is very beginner friendly and easy to use. If we were to quickly talk about the core differences of both platforms, for example, when it comes onto QuoteIQ, it is aimed at solo operators and small crews who want something that's simple, affordable, and fast to set up, especially in exterior cleaning. While Housecall Pro, on the other hand, is aimed at growing and more established businesses that want a polished customer experience, automation, and tools to manage multiple techs. With QuoteIQ, you're more thinking, I want an online booking, automations, text updates, and memberships, and a system that can grow with multiple techs and trucks. Both can help a 1 or 2 person operation, but Housecall Pro really starts to shine when you are treating your business like a full-on service company and not just a side hustle. And if we were to look at their pricing, with QuoteIQ, as you can see right here, you can get started for as low as $29 per month, and it can go up to $349 per month. The prices vary depending on the amount of users or employees that you have, as you can see right here. With the $349 plan, you'll be able to add unlimited users and you'll also get numerous features. So it all depends on the amount of users and the type of features that you want. When it comes on to Housecall Pro, you can get started on their monthly plan for as low as $79 per month, and it can go up to $329 per month. Again, it all depends on the amount of features that you want and the size of your team. And which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose QuoteIQ if you're a solo operator or a very small team, especially in exterior cleaning or similar home services, and you want a mobile-friendly app to capture leads, bill and send quotes quickly, schedule jobs, and track which marketing is actually making you money. You don't need super advanced automations yet. You just want to get organized, look professional, and stop losing money from untracked leads. If you're just starting or doing, let's say, a few crews in the field, QuoteIQ can be a great low-friction starting point. While on the other hand, I would recommend you go with Housecall Pro if you're already busy or planning to grow multiple techs, more trucks, and higher volume, and you want customers to be able to book online, get automated reminders, and receive on my way texts without you manually pushing everything. And you care about memberships and recurring service plans, a more polished brand experience, and deeper reporting. Or you're willing to pay more per month in exchange for a platform that can grow with you for years. If you're serious about turning your home service business into a systemized, scalable company, Housecall Pro is built for that. So if I were to do a quick recap, I would say when it comes on to QuoteIQ, it is simple home service app for quoting, scheduling, payments, and tracking marketing. It is best for solo operators and small crews. While Housecall Pro, on the other hand, is a full field service management platform with online booking, automation, memberships, and so much more. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. And again, I've included links in the pinned comment and description, which you can use to sign up. Thanks for watching.